it's hard to say, is this water more toxic than this water? I can't say that with just looking at a water at face value. We can tell by looking under a microscope what's present in the water, and that can help us to give better guidance on what things need to be done in order to make that water safe again. These 3 water samples were sent to Natural Waterscapes for cyanobacteria screening. Sometimes it's easy to make an educated guess that a pond has cyanobacteria or harmful algal bloom. Other times it's not so obvious. The water in the center, it's pretty obvious. The water is pretty disgusting, has a green sheen that covers the surface. These other 2 samples, they're not so noticeable that there's something wrong. Both of them, this water's a little cloudy. This water's almost crystal clear. But all 3 actually have cyanobacteria in them. For example, this water right here that looks really clear, it actually has multiple species of cyanobacteria in it. It does form a film at the surface of the water, but the cell count is just not super high at the moment. This particular water is very high in microcystis. It's pretty obvious to anybody that there's something wrong with this water. But again, I can't say that this water is necessarily any worse than this. They both actually have very similar nutrient levels in the water. This one just has presented a much larger bloom than this one has. Now, this particular water is a little cloudy, but no visible scum. This water has multiple species of cyanobacteria in it, and it unfortunately killed a dog last week. The dog swam in this water and actually died 3 hours after swimming. It was confirmed with their vet that that was the suspected cause of death, and so that's why they sent the water into us so they could see, is there cyanobacteria in here, and what they need to do next to solve their water problems. I point these out and show you these samples because water quality is so important, not just for the fish that are in the pond, but for the people and animals that are recreating in that water too. So you can do some things like a simple sample that you send in to us that costs you nothing to look at what's in the water so that you can make educated decisions on what to do next in your pond so that you don't have any catastrophic events happen like this poor family did.